Hey guys! Today I'm showing you how to make a super healthy and crazy delicious yogurt garlic chicken kebab. It's juicy, packed with flavor, and perfect for your meal prep or weekend BBQ. If you're into tasty and guilt-free recipes, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more. Let's get cooking! First, chop up one onion just like you see in the video. This is gonna add a ton of flavor to our marinade. Now cut the chicken into big chunks. We want them nice and juicy when they grill. I'm a big fan of grilled chicken wings, so I'm adding some wings too. Just make 2 little cuts on each wing, that way the marinade really gets in there. Now it's time to make the marinade. Add the chopped onion, 3 cloves of garlic either mashed or grated, 3 tablespoons of yogurt, some salt, and a pinch of turmeric to give it that beautiful golden color. Mix it all up really well, then let the chicken rest in the marinade for at least 1 hour. Trust me, the flavor gets way better. Since we're cooking these in the oven, I'm using small skewers just like you see in the video to hold the chicken pieces together. This dish definitely needs some grilled tomatoes and chili peppers on the side. So just cut the tomatoes in half, and then thread them onto skewers, alternating between tomato and spicy pepper. Looks amazing and tastes even better. Now line your oven tray with parchment paper or foil, and place the skewers right on it. Finally, brush a little bit of olive oil over the top to help them get that beautiful golden finish in the oven. Pop them in the oven at 180°C, that's about 350°F, for around 50 minutes until they're beautifully golden and cooked through. And there you have it, juicy, healthy, and super flavorful chicken kebabs straight from the oven. If this made you hungry, you owe me a like. Don't forget to subscribe for more tasty recipes every week. And hey, if your oven starts smelling amazing, don't blame me, blame the garlic. See ya next time.